How to add 3D perspective transitions in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and place 2 clips on the timeline, one after the other with no gap in between. Next, go to the effects panel and search for transform. This effect helps in creating a 3D-like perspective shift. Drag and drop the transform effect onto the first clip. Now go to the effect stack and enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch above the properties. At the beginning of the clip, set the keyframe with no rotation. Then move to the end of the clip and add another keyframe with a rotated Y or X value. For example, rotate it by 90 degrees on the Y-axis to create a horizontal flip effect. Next, apply a transform effect to the second clip. At the start of this clip, add a keyframe with the same Y-axis rotation from the end of the first clip, but in reverse direction. Then gradually bring it back to 0 degrees at the end of the transition. This creates a smooth 3D perspective transition between 2 clips. You can also adjust the scale and position to enhance the effect further. Play the sequence to see the 3D flip or slide transition in action. Tweak the keyframe values until you get the desired perspective look. Now you know how to add 3D perspective transitions in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.